Greetings of the day. Welcome to the English grammar class of Chapter 10, Subject Verb Agreement. Let's understand what is subject verb agreement. In order for a sentence to be grammatically correct, the subject and the verb must both be singular or plural. In other words, the subject and the verb must agree with one another in their tense. If the subject is in plural form, the verb should also be in plural form and vice versa. We should remember that the verb in a sentence must always agree with the subject in number and in person. For example, Sumer is a confident boy. Second example, the boys are confident of themselves. In the above sentences, note that the verb is used with Sumer because it is a singular noun, whereas verb are is used with the boys because of plural nouns. This shows that the verbs change according to the number of the subject. We should remember that a verb must always agree with the subject in person. We all know that personal pronouns stand for three persons. The first person, speaker, singular I, takes a singular verb am going or was, but takes a plural verb when saying I go or I have to leave now. The first person, speaker, plural we, takes a plural verb in all the tenses. For example, we are or we were reading books. The second person, the person spoken to, you, takes the plural verb in all the tenses even when it is singular. For example, you are learning karate. Second example, you all are learning karate. They is the third person plural, the person that the speaker is talking about, takes a plural verb in all the tenses. For example, they are or they were learning karate. Second example, they have learned karate. In case of personal pronouns, he, she, and it take singular verbs in all tenses. There are certain points to remember. First of all, let's understand which all subjects take a singular verb. The first point is nouns which indicate food, clothing, furniture, or stationery are singular and hence take a singular verb. Examples: the furniture needs repair. Second example, the food is kept covered. The second point is collective nouns are considered as singular and take singular verbs. Even items of clothing such as a pair of pants or a pair of socks require singular verb agreement. Examples: a flock of sheep is grazing. Second example, a pair of socks is washed. The third point to remember is the words a lot of or plenty of. When used for quantity of something, we use a singular verb, but whenever we use these words for number, we take plural verbs. Examples: there was a lot of rain last week. Second example, plenty of water was wasted. Both the above sentences refer to quantity or uncountable nouns, so we have used singular verbs. But examples, a lot of boys are cheering the school team or a lot of children are attending the function, refer to number or countable nouns. For this reason, we have used plural verbs. The fourth point, the words much, a little, many a, and news always take a singular verb. Examples: much has already been given. Only a little of the work has been completed. That means not much work. I have been there many a time, which means frequently, very often. And what is the latest news? Fifth point is the words each, either, neither, everyone, and one of the always take a singular verb. Examples: each of the boys is talented, one of the girls is sick, neither of the two plans is suitable. Rest of the points, children, we'll discuss in our next video.